Yeah, only.
This one. Okay. Now we will start to drawing this frame. So you should have a condition. Now this unit in real working, when you assemble it, you will start to assemble this first, okay?
Yeah.
And put this in this, right?
This one goes inside.
The sequence of assembly, okay? After that, you will get this all in the unit, yes? It's a real sequence, yeah?
Then you have the door.
Okay. Or this will be connected first with the unit.
Yeah, this one connected with this one.
Okay. You have a gauge, yeah? It means that you have a gauge. Okay.
We will write on the back side.
Yeah. Okay. Why I asked that? I asked that because in this case you will decide if this component will be created into this assembly, okay, in this other assembly, or will be created here in this main assembly, okay. Depend on your procedures of working, okay. Of your sequence, like Mr. Khaldoun said to me now, that this will be as a part from this first, and all this sub-assembly will go at once in the main. This means that I will draw it into this one. Okay, it's very important. Very important. Why? Why very important? I will show you, not now. After finish this, I will show you when get the final drawing and get the tables of bill of material. Okay, the table which identify the quantity from each part you manufacture. Okay, you will know why you should keep the same real procedures in manufacturing. Okay. So there are special place from here, special dimension.
Yes.
How much?
None.
What?
It's according to door.
According to door. Okay.
No, this will touch the gasket. The gasket is inside the door. And the front of the door should be 2 mm above this one.
Mm-hmm.
There is a relation, but let's draw it and then. But the gaps here, left and right, is not equal.
The gaps here not equal?
No.
Ah.
Why? Because here you have the door. And same what happened in the back side. Once you open the door, might touch this one. That's why this side is bigger, so it will not touch the edge of the door.
Yeah. This case, so you will draw it, make its outline in a new part separately to working speed.
Yeah, we'll draw this and the door together. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Just sketch. Quick identification, and you can modify after that. Quick, how much?
meter. أصحاب الأوتوكاد تعرف الساعات والله you want me to measure it ما بديش أغير كتير ولا ماشي.
هو اوتوكاد مش هين.
لا مش هذه. ايوه هاي او الثاني اصحابهم هاو مني كنا فتحه تبع الباب بدك هاي
ما انت هتغير دي الكلام.
اوكي بس الفوق اصحابي هاي ده مش هاي تحت.
You mean this one? Yeah. Okay.
هاي fail distances.
But here this dimension not accurate because this is a flattened dimension.
لا من النص. لا النص تبع خلاص we will based on the actual.
مرحبا.
تمام. عم برجع بعيد الأرضية.
Okay, we can take it directly, no problem. No, external.
Externally. 136.7.
130.
6.7. انت اوريدي عندك اياها اللي هي سايز اوف فيش نفس السايز.
لا انا بتكلم على الخارجي.
إيه بس
يعني ده بتكلم على الفريم الرئيسي ده.
عندك اياه بالمين يونت ومنه يو اوفست اوت 2 ملي اوتسايد، بس تاكد منه على القياس اللي نحن حطيناه على الدرو بتاعه.
اوكي. Okay, no problem if you use this direction or no. This is 20. Okay.
$21.6.
21.6. Okay. And changed it to material inside. Do you remember this? Material inside. And this is a gap. You can change it to 0.1 to minimize this gap. Okay. You can save it now. Now you can make it like the same. Advance it. Have a different gap. Yeah. Different gap. So you need first.
You need to fix one side.
Yes. First you will create this cutout, but in the
12 milli.
yeah 12 milli.
Milli from outside.
Okay, already will be adjusted. I do it anything, just make this like that.
1.5 anyway.
We will adjust it now. Okay. Return.
21.5.
Yeah. Alright. First, your assembly will be like that. Make width this with this and this with this. But up and down are the same, okay? Symmetric, huh? Up and down are symmetric, yes? Now we will change the dimension. This one 260. This got 260. Ignore gaps now. No clearance till now. We will put clearance. Okay. and this one. Hundred ten. Hundred ten. Okay.
انا اعطيتك الفتحة الكبيرة ولا اعطيتك الفتحة الصغيرة؟
12. What is a 12?
هاي مش مايت الهانجز، الثاني مايت.
12 here. This is 12.
12 من برا.
12 من برا اهي.
وليش طلع صغير؟
I will show you.
The total size is wrong.
This is 12. Total size? Yes, okay. So, we get this, save, and open here. We will measure
أيوة. This one should be
290, yeah?
290 from inside.
Yeah. With 130. Can make open and change your main 290 and 130, and in edge flange you will check this one.
Okay.
Check this one. You know why? You know why? Clear?
Give allowance.
Why? Explain to you. First time we made this like that, okay? And now this will be 130 and 290, okay? But on this way, the 130 will be external from external, and really no, because already your window is 130. So I need the window will be on the internal edge, on the internal edge of the sheet metal. So the 130, having to change it to 130 by added 4 millimeters. No, just 130, okay? But all pins will be material outside. It's okay. So now the 130 will be from here to here, 130. Okay? This easy way, because if you will do this like that, internally, current internally, and you need to change, you will get this 130 plus 4 millimeters will be 134 from outside to be 130 from inside. Okay? How I calculate in your mind these calculations? No. You have an original dimension called 130, and you can control your edge flange by material inside. Sorry, by material inside. You will get the same result with a fixed dimension, because in advanced, when I will need to make an equation between this 130 and the other cut out 130, I will get this one equal this one directly, simple equation. Not this one equal this one plus 4 millimeter. No, why? Understood? Clear? Clear? Vector. Okay? Now, if you will go to this, you can go to check. Just select this one and this main cabinet, isolate. Okay? Create mate this face on this face. It's okay from this way. Yes, but not okay here. But not okay here. Okay, so we need to change the dimension. If you can select this assembly and this cabinet only, isolate. What is the problem with the door? After Mr. Khaldun finish, we need to know how it is, how can come, which distance we need to weld. We can create a specific dimension, a random dimension, this one with this one, but specific dimension in standard mates. This dimension will be 120. We can change, no problem. When finished, we will check if we see. Now, if we need to check the impact accident between door and all units, you can do that. You can check just check section view. Now we can check all thing. It's very clear. Now, yeah. This section just for view, okay? Just for view. Section view. If you need to change these plans, front, side, okay, top, no problem. All right. Now we have it like that. What dimensions we need to check? Get it with door, isolate.
كيف ركبتها؟
ركبتها من غير دايمنشنز دلوقتي، انا ركبتها هي بس انا جمعت دي بمقاس وهمي.
الباب بالعكس.
ليه؟
بالعكس وقت لا بوكس بيج سايز عملت اليمين
يعني مش فاهم البوكس اهو.
زون على البوكس هي ما طويلة. الجاب الأكبر هي ما هي المال
الجاب الأكبر هنا.
هذا لازم يكون بالعكس.
اوكي.
هي البوكس فيك تستعمله للمال هاي.
هي.
تستعمل واحد لهالمال وواحد لهالمال، أيوة.
This gap will be on the other side. Okay, no problem. No problem. Can go to this one. Open.
طيب.
Can change this just dimension.
غير هذه 12 وهذه 22. خلاص هي دخلت اوتوماتيك.
Now, first this one.
But it covered.
No, this one should be here. Yeah. So in this case, we need to change something in relation of assembly. Now, this first relation that we do, okay? Do you remember this relation? I will delete. That's me. So, support. What is this? What I deleted? This one. And you will remake it again with this one. مش تفرق، ما هو ده ويدز كده كده ملوش علاقة، هو هيسنطره والعبرة بالمقاس. العبرة بالdimensions. It's okay. And this box, main box, will follow this frame already. Control S for save. It's okay like that, right?
لو بالسقف like that.
ايه؟ Now what about this dimension?
You need to draw the door. No, you can. There is 2 milli and then 4 milli, so it should go 6 milli from the front.
6 milli from here
Yes.
to here.
To the front. Yes, 6 milli.
6 millimeter inside. Okay. Now, if you will measure, you'll find this 0.71, but not internally. 0.71 in post, not the post. Okay. So we need first, we have a dimension here. This dimension first minus 0.71. Also plus 0.71.
Excuse me,
Yeah.
sir. Is it possible you have a VMware software?
Serial number?
VMware. VMware.
What is?
That you can write Windows 8 and then I can install another inside.
VMware.
Yes.
VMware. Okay, now this point to this point are equal 0. Okay, so we needed 6 millimeter. We can go to mate, this dimension, and this number plus 6 millimeter. Okay, 6 millimeter. It's okay. All right. Why? I took this number from here to here in the relation, not from here to here. This is something like a tip, not a software. This you can make it. You can make your dimension relation in this assembly. You can remove it from here and select this point and this face. But this point is an angle. Maybe change it for gasket. Maybe change the size, change any point like that. But what is the fixed faces that will not change it? This one and this one. More secured faces.
Yes.
Okay. This is the logic that we said. You should when drawing, not drawing just a draftman, not drawing with the logics. You should keep the future. When the future maybe changes dimension, so this place of relation will have a problem. Really having the problem now during our meeting, but may after 1 hour we'll have a problem. After 1 day, after 1 year. Okay. Okay. The same. This part, assembly. We'll go to this one and create 2 configurations as we did before. S1, small frame, and large frame, no suppress, no suppress. Good. All right. Now this one, how much? $272. So you will change only the first. This dimension will be right click, configure dimension.
From inside, not from outside.
Yes, I will take it from the main. and take it from the main and change it random change.
حتى قياس البوكس.
ما انا فاهم هعمل راندوم بس راندوم just a check. Okay, this is another dimension. Okay. Save. Dimension here 290. 290 is fixed already. This means that 290. Okay. هي already inside خلاص مظبطها اصلا. configure already التكاسيح متشفتة. left. Okay. Just change also this cut according the new cut. This cut 272, so your cut okay will be 272, but first should working with it this way. Right click first, and this will be LF. In this file will be LF. Activate the large frame and change 272. Can make open and confuse your eye. Right click, configuration 272. So it's okay. And assemble it with the same mate, this one or this one with this one. Okay, and mate again with this face, with this face, and this face, with this face. Now it's okay. Check with section view. Okay. Okay. Check with section view but side. Okay.
أنا أشاور
Good.
gap.
Gap A. Mid.
بس يدل على البوكس يصير في فرق 3 ميل. فهاي لازم نحط لها شقفة سبريت.
في شقفة هون مفيش مشكلة.
بتأثر على الماي بس.
هتأثر على الماي وانت تلح ما هتأثر على الماي ليه؟
صار في فرق من تحت.
مش هتحط هنا سيليكون ولا حاجة؟
عم بحط حديد وبحط سيليكون من القفا. بس أنا فاتحة 3 ميل بيطلع سيليكون لبرا. بيطلع شكله بشي. أفضل بحط له حديدي هون بعدين نلحمها.
Okay. Now we need to add hide it. We need to add only some steel bar, some bar, some sheet.
أنا هاي أساس البورتفاي. حتى فيها تكون هاكس.
إيه؟
فيها تكون ستريت.
مش تفرق.
ما لهاش طعم البورتفاي.
Okay. We need to add steel 2 millimeter slice in top and down. Okay. Just add new part on this one quickly. No time. Put it like that. Go. You can change the color or the view. Find here this one, this line with this line collinear, and the size will be 20. Okay. And sheet metal 2 millimeters. Okay. Finished. Give him material the same. Okay. No problem. And get this number B0010-00. Okay. And the same mirror you can use. Right click, edit. Use this. Just edit. Just add this to menu and click OK. On the side. Externally. Okay. So check in configuration that you will find this part already exists. Okay. Thank you. Thanks. Okay, already exists, no problem. These are advantage of configuration. Okay, having to don't need to rework, no, just one time. It's okay. We hide it like that, show, and show. Check, it's okay. If you need to check again, like that, and go to here, it's okay. Alright? Here, for this 1, 2, 3, we have two methods. We can use, as we made before, copy with mate. Okay?
بس اقلبهم اول شيء.
لا، ما هو التلاتة دول زي بعض. هقلب اللي في الشمال.
الليفل اللي سقف حطه فوق والليفل اللي فوق حطه تحت. سمي لي بعد انه مش كيف الليفل. الليفل هاي هون وهي هون.
هي يعني هو السقف هي اصلا كده؟
هي بقى مضوية من فوق.
مضوية من فوق. سوا. هو راح
حاشا راح يغير ذاك.
ايه؟
راح يغير. Where did he go? What is it? Coming.
Not interested for him?
Huh?
Not interested?
For him? No, interested, but
Okay. Now, Mr. Khatun said to me that it's a wrong position. We need to get this one at the top and get two at the bottom. Okay. So no problem. Just go to here and click right click, cut, and click blank. Finished. Okay. Yes. The other. Right click, cut.
Just the
Right
plate
click,
difference.
blank. What?
Just the plate difference. The cut will be on top and the will be in the
huh?
The cut will be on the top.
Yes. Cut is for the light. The light is from top.
No, it's okay.
But I didn't thought that it is in configuration.
Okay.
I thought we will remove and put down and then remove and put down. It is the configuration.
Now you will start. I need to copy these 3 units here. You have 2 methods. First, as we made before, copy with mate. Okay. Now, in this position, all are fixed. This position, all are fixed. The same position, totally aligned to these edges. Okay, but only we will select the different 2 edges. 2 edges for here to put it here, and 2 edges over here to put it here. Okay, only I will select some edges. This is a method, and we made before. There is something more advanced. We can make pattern. We can pattern. Okay, how pattern? Right click, isolate. Create sketch in assembly on this face. And we have point. Okay.
How you know that it's in the center? Or it's not in the center?
No, I will centrate it. I will centralize. This one. This one. This one. And we will centralize this right click, midpoint, 1, 2, 3, with shift, okay, a relation, normal sketch relation, okay. Linear pattern, we know now circular pattern. Do you remember circular pattern? Repeat, circularly, okay? The same circular pattern in assembly as the same in form. Same weight, same selections.
مثل الاري.
زي الاري، ايه الاري؟ بالظبط الاري. Like array in AutoCAD. There are take care, sketch driven components pattern. Sketch driven components pattern. Select your sketch, tuck only, and select your component, this one. But this array, not rectangular, not circular. Any point, if I will
array an object.
If I will make any point here, just select sketch with this point and select the first component. They will repeat this component on all points. Okay? But here there are something you should to know. View, see, out.
Because you put the point in the center of the box.
Yes. So you can select from here. No components origin, bounding box or selected point according to your selection. See, component origin. What's the component origin?
The front of the point or the point itself.
The red point, which we see in the first lecture, that's very important. Okay, to be referenced to the part.
The point of the day.
Yes, it's called component origin. The red point.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Bounding box center.
Center of the box.
If I will pattern this one, okay, he will make a virtual boundary. Limits. Make a limits. We'll put it like that.
Square.
This about it. Okay. What's the bounding box put it?
هذه بطيخة.
Eh?
هذه بطيخة.
Okay. This is a bounding box. Okay, the limits. This called, this red one, called bounding box. Okay. They will automatically detect the center of bounding box. Okay, and will put this assembly accordingly. Or selected point. You can select point. If I need to select this point, for example, I need to select this one. Any point you need.
طرف بالنص برا.
You can select the same point. The same point. Okay. Finished. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay. Okay. There are some error. We need to know why. See this exclamation point sign? Right? 1,
Dutch pattern 1.
2, 3, 4. How can get 1? You can this one error because already we have a 1 here. This means that I have twice.
اثنين فوق بعض.
So right click, edit, and instance to skip. Instances to skip. And skip. Just click here. If you can. Or make hide. and
مش تعمل delete.
right click. Yes, you can, but recommended to skip because he will give you. No, he will not give you. You can make delete. Yes, day out. Thank you, and show it. Error has been removed. No problem. Okay. Now we will mirror it. It's very important step. You will mirror. This is not normal mirror because you have a specific gaps. This gap will be mirrored. This means that this big gap will be at this side, okay, and this hole will be here, okay.
But
Mirror.
this is what we need, no?
Nice.
100%.
100%. Mirror. In mirror, you have multi options. Okay, I can mirror it the same and can put it here. Okay, this is a mirror. That's the same, but I will rotate, just to rotate. Okay.
لا بس you need to mirror not to.
Yes, yes. ما هو في كذا اوبشن، هشرح بس الاحتمالات بعد كده اخش على. I will create new file assembly. Make a dummy. We work on dummy first. Now, if you need something like that, these are components.
ليش بتحبوا
بيع كله بيعلق، ما اعرفش، ما انا بحس باحساس غريب لما برسمهم. عشرة ما تفهمش. عشرة. Okay. These are components. Extrude it. No. Extrude it. And I have this plan. Now I will mirror this component. But in this position, no problem the mirror, because already these holes are symmetric. So if component will be mirrored, sorry, like that, okay, no problem, normal. Okay. This is the simplest way of mirror that we made before. Just plan, component, okay, finished. Okay. There are some cases, advanced cases of mirror with the same order, in the same order. Okay. Let's do something like that. Right click in position, because I need to make also I need to cut big point, this one, and cut it. Now I need to cut this, but not through. You can blend or up to next, up to next. This means will be through only on this face, and any other face will meet this cut will not be applied. Okay. Mirror, plan, component. See, now it's okay. Edit. See this one? Next. Let's check. Now you have 4 suggestions to do. 1, you can make it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Smart. He give you, okay, all conditions can be done. Okay. You can do number 1 of 4. 1 of 4. Okay, let's check. Okay, you can check again. It's okay for you. All right. Right click, edit.
You can rotate like this.
Rotate and
You can
rotate.
rotate
Yeah.
like this. You can rotate like this. You can rotate upside down.
Okay. If you don't need any one of them, and your component هيقولوا mirror mean that will be an opposite file, like this condition. If I will come to here and added this cut, I will add a cut, but this cut not in center. Here. My specific dimension. Also, not in center would be here. This cut. Okay. Mirror. No, can be done. If you need really mirror, like your case now, it will support you because you will need this one
Other side.
here. Okay, like mirror, really like mirror. If you will get a mirror here, real mirror, stainless sheet, okay, illuminated stainless sheet, and we'll put it here, and I will see it. What you will see? You will see this the other side. Real mirror. Okay? No one of these 4 solutions can be do. 1, 2, no. Also that. Okay? But
Opposite face.
you can. So you need an opposite file. Another part, separated part, but mirrored. Okay? So here you will find something called create opposite hand. This will create another part. Clear?
You don't need to draw left and right. You draw one and automatically.
Okay? Okay.
The key. The key.
Next. There are 2 choices in opposite part. You can make it separated, another file, with another name, with another number. Or you can put it as a configuration from the same port, automatically.
In our situation, it can be configuration.
Yes.
Because it's the same one.
Okay? So you have to
But
here.
cutting different. But you cut if you can, once you configure, you can export it one by one. So fine, configuration can work.
Okay?
Because you need, in the end you need, if you change this, the other one will change. Because now we put the hedges, so we need it configured. We don't need a new item, otherwise we need to modify each one separately. Yes?
This is technique also if you will make a separate file, the link stay between them.
You can do it.
Okay. See, create new private configuration in exist file or create new file. Have to choose. Have to select. If I will select the first one,
Select the first one.
will ask me what's the name of configuration. I need custom name. For example, left right,
Left box.
left box, left right, anything. Left box. For this example, okay, and go to okay. Thank you. You will find it the same name. When you will go to it, see, open separately. Left box.
So maybe you have a mirror component now.
You have a feature called mirrored. Clear?
Now we will do the mirror of the box itself.
Very clear this mirror option. So yes. Return to our charging station. Okay. Now we will isolate this one.
All why?
Isolate to see good. Mirror. Okay. Disassembly. Next.
That's wrong.
Let's check. File. Components of assembly. Select the component you need to make opposite only and create opposite one. Okay, and the other, this one doesn't need opposite because you can rotate. This one doesn't need opposite, can be rotated. Okay, so you will apply on this selected component only yes. Okay. Okay. Finished. This 7 will be configured custom under SP
SPN.
dash yes. Yes, okay. Please do.
Not account?
Oh, have a problem with this one. You can. No problem. You can right click and edit this mirror. No problem. And go to this one. It's okay. Okay. You can edit normal, haven't a problem. Alright. Now your model has been mirrored without redrawing anything. In this case, you can do something very good. Right click show. Okay. we can do something very good. Now you have a mirror and this is a pattern. Just drag mirror before pattern and go to pattern again and select this one with you at once. Oh, we already hidden. It's our mistake, not it's my mistake, no problem. Because the main part was hidden. Just show. It's okay. Now, well, it's okay. All right. This one, if you open, now the mirror only applied on S configuration, only applied on S configuration, but not applied for L configuration. Okay, so no problem. You will do the same. Right click, mirror, mirror, disassembly, no problem. This P007, opposite, the same action, create on LP-M, this time LP, because LP is activated. Okay, and go. Okay, just save. This one not mirrored. This one not mirrored.
Something wrong also in this mode.
What's this? If you, we will see maybe an error in mirror. Just hang, don't worry. The computer has been crazy. Okay, has been changed automatically without any problem. Now if you will go to this, you will find L have an LM and S have an S1. Each one of them have its value. Okay? Just make Control S, Control S, Control S to avoid any dumping. And rename this one with pattern. You can hide the pivot, you can hide. Close. we have this assembly, okay? And you need to make a tree. You need to make a tree and print it to know how many components, to know your tree for workshop, for you, for planning, for anything technically. In this software, you have this is an icon of Solidworks itself. It's okay. There is something it's called tree house. Tree house. What's a tree house? Not a software. Will open. Yeah. Not a software. But just open your assembly. What we have is now we need exist file, sorry. Exist file, charging station, assembly, main assembly, reprint. Okay, should be opened. Get it again. Just drag. Okay. Just drag and drop. Okay. Find this. Is a tree. Tree of assembly of your product. Meaning this is an assembly. Okay. Have SL right, left, right, left, SB, can you read the SB1, SPM, LB, LBM, and main cabinet. This is the first level. Second level, under this one you have part number 7, S and B blank and B cut, and 9 small frame. Another one, you have S1, the similar one, and the blank cut small frame. In this large panel, you have L and blank cut large frame. Okay, and this one have the P number 1, 2, 2, top cover, bottom cover. This is configuration also, and this is the door, and this vertical frames of the door, and the pivot.
The number is on the top right side, that's the quantity.
Yes,
Number.
the quantity. Where?
This number. That's the number two there.
Where?
Line number 1.
Oh yes, yes, bravo, good, yeah, yeah. It's a quantity.
This one is not in that. It's just a
Is this default? Oh, this one. Small slice was here on the top of. Yes, you have two. Yeah. And that's you have two. It's automatically. Will count all numbers automatically and give you the number according to 3D.
Why it show me alone, not it's shown like that?
No, just the graphics. Yes. But when you will export, you can print it. Okay, I will print it. For example, you have S3 here, yeah? Nitro. I will bring it for you as a PDF reference. Editor. S3 landscape. Okay. You need to do the Tarabush graphic, and you can export it to Excel. Open. Export to Excel. All components with quantities required. Okay. You can put this Excel on your ERP system and start. Save it. شفت ده تري هاوس بترمي الفايل بس بيديك كل اللي تحتيه بارقامهم بعددهم بالنسب بتاعتهم بلوف ماتيريال. لا اما تطلعها اكسل شيت تطبعها بقى وتعيش حياتكم، لا اما تدخلها بي دي اف فايل وتطبعها برنتد، يعني حتى في بي دي اف فايل طلعته فايل اس 3 فايل مثلا بحاجه مش called treehouse.
You just drag and drop.
Yes. Close again. Get your main assembly. Main assembly. X. Just drag and drop.
Final main body. Oh, head main.
Yes.
Okay.
One. Also 5 parts. Calculate for you also 5. How many parts under this construction? Totally, and each quantity we find it here. 1, 4, 4. Two parts, 2. More than 1, we'll write. You will find it.
Cut ليش مش didn't simulate الcut؟
لا ده جرافيك جاست جرافيك ايكون، يعني مش دي القضية قوي، ما بيهتمش بيه قوي. انت اهم حاجة ان الاكسل شيت هو اللي بيخرج بقى ده اوبن ستراكشر في كل حاجة بالكونفيجريشن بتاعته باسمها. لو انت عندك اي داتا تانية عامل لها رينيمنج هتظهر.
If you change the quantity, it will automatically change yours.
Yes, sure. Quantity, if you change it automatically here, if I will do something like that, this is assembly. Crash. Send.
But you still have.
Sorry. Save. This.
But you cannot change from Excel. You can change quantity from Excel. Why to change?
If you need, but this automatically to avoid any human error. Cell. Put it here. Okay. Okay, I will give you only 5 minutes. Why? Because after these 5 minutes, we will go to about unpinned flattening, and what the flattening can be calculated really in scientific way, because there's a big problem in sheet metal. The flattened size you can put the laser and the punch in special flat size, and after bending you will get another dimension in drawing. Okay, it's a big problem. Okay, but have a solution, because there are missing trick, scientific trick. It's very important, not only theoretical but also practical. Okay, 5 minutes only. Good WC, put water, drink water, do anything, 5 minutes. Okay.
I don't know,